Go.
This is Chippy at ABIT 2008. We're on the ABIT stand and we found a new MID lurking away behind the glass. And this is a slider type device, very similar in size and weight to the Gigabyte MID we've looked at earlier. And the USI, ignore USI, that's actually the OEM. This is going to be branded ABIT, and it's basically 4.8 inch screen, touch screen, targeted to have a Linux operating system with either Red Flag or Ubuntu Mobile running on that. We have a camera at the front. We've got, I read on the specifications that there's options for the camera up to 2 megabit pixels. Then we've got slider keyboard. This is not a final keyboard. The keys will be changed slightly to give it a better feel. But actually, spacing-wise on the keyboard, it's pretty good because it's got that slight split feature on the keyboard. It helps to keep the keys within range. Nice space key, reachable within thumb distance. Enter keys there. No mouse pointer or any sort of special control keys on the keyboard, and nothing on the outside. Very similar to the Nokia N810, which doesn't have the controls on the outside. So in terms of sizing, it's fairly thick. That's about 30 millimeters in thickness. So it's a lot bigger than the N810. About the same thickness as a round digital Everrun or a Gigabyte UMPC. Got a USB port, host and slave here. Stylus goes in there. We've got an SD slot on the top, which will provide capability for an optional GPS module. And there was an optional DVB-T module to go in the SD card slot. HSDPA and WiMAX options can be built in internally. On the left-hand side, headphones, volume rocker control, and presumably the reset button there on the left-hand side. So this is going to be running on the Intel Atom platform. That's Menlo, 1.2 gigahertz. Target battery life looks on the specifications to be 3 hours on the specifications. Planned to be launched with the first batch of MID devices coming in the middle of the year. So we can expect June, July. And quick question, target market is global or global?
Specifically Western Europe
and America. So we can expect to see that from ABIT later in the year. So design-wise, it's looking pretty nice. Nice metallic surround. It's said to be nearly the final design. So I'm looking forward to seeing this later in the year. Steve Payne, Chippy from ABIT 2008. Thanks for watching.